All right, you guys, so if you made it this far into the video, can you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I love to have you part of the family, and I hope it's a good video. I hope you enjoy it. But we're gonna go on to the other side over there, and we're gonna see if we can get some bigger crappie. Though it just wasn't big enough. So what's what happened? Good morning. Oh, I see a big old bass. I'm talking about a monster bass swimming on the edge right there. Probably good 6-7 pounds. I missed that joke. I just missed that one. 7:30. I feel the rain coming. Right here, boys. Two big old bass right here. Jeez. A big female and a big male. I hope that's on camera and you guys can see me stuttering. You guys can actually 3 of them. There's 3 of them. A big old female and a couple males with her, and they just swimming back and forth. Yeah, that's a good cast right there. This little spot probably could produce some big crappies at night, right when it get dark, or early in the morning. See another big old bass right out there. They back here. Oh, that was a big one, you guys. You see that? You see that stir up? You see that stir up out there? Shoot! You see it? Man, that was a big old. That was probably a big old bass. Went right by and he grabbed. I'm talking about. Let me see. I hope you guys can see that. Big old blow up out there. I'm gonna make this bigger. That sand is I mean, mud everywhere right now. He hit that joke and I didn't set that hook. He took off. Now that was probably a big bass. There you go, you got another crappie. Another crappie. About an 8-9 inch right here. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Okay. That was a big blow up that I just missed over there. And that was a big bass too. I know it was a bass. So nothing on the float, but the Rattle Trap is the winner today. The Rattle Trap is the winner today. That shows you guys, you can switch it up sometime. You can switch it up. Now the crazy thing about it is I can see it, like I can see there go another big old bass. Jeez. Right here, right in front of me. I'm gonna blow this camera up so you guys can see that. But they just swimming around, patrolling, and that's about it. On one of the videos, when I caught a crappie, I tried to blow it up, it was about 3 big old bass right there in front of the crappie when I was pulling it up, and they didn't even swim and attack the crappie. I was hoping they was gonna run and grab it so I can get that on camera, but they didn't. That's why I had that blow up at over there. They got another big bass right here in front of me, you guys. Right here in front of me. I might snag it. Ooh, he took out. I missed him. I don't know if you said that swirl. I almost had that joke. I would have threw it back, you guys. Trust me. Y'all don't got to call a game warrant on me for snagging. I tried to get him. There we go. Shoot, I'm about to get back out here with this American Hero lose. This ain't doing the job for me. There we go, you guys. There we go. Another crappie. Another crop. Another crop. A little bit bigger. That's probably a keeper. Here you go, you guys. Crappie. You guys, man, like I said, I hope you're having a great Sunday morning so far, wherever you're at in the world. Enjoy your Sunday. Let's make it a great new week. More blessings. More blessings, baby. More blessings. That's all we can ask for. That's all we can ask for. Extra days on this earth to be with the family and friends and do what you love to do. That's all I ask. Go out and do what you love to do, whatever it is. All right. Now that's the thing about casting. You know, you'll cast 1,000 times, you might catch 4 fish. You know, I don't mind. I don't mind. That's how you gonna do me? That's how you gonna do me? Did you feel the hook? Let me see if you felt that hook. Let me see if you felt that hook. There we go, you guys. Got a bass. He came out and hit that joker close to land. I saw when he came out. Calm down. Wait a minute. Better not. That joker took my rattle trap. That was a blooper. That joker took my rattle trap. That was my lucky rattle trap. All right, guys. guys, man, that's it for me. I had a great day. It's about 9:50, and I got out here by 7:30. So caught a lot of crappies, probably a total about 16 small crappies, one keeper, but I actually threw it back. I want to go home with one fish, but it's gloomy here. As you can see up there, it's starting to rain, sprinkling. Supposed to kind of get some storms here in about 30 minutes to an hour for about a couple hours. If it clears up about 6, I might get back out. I might go to another spot just to see if I can get me some more of those big ones we were catching the other night. But if not, you guys, man, enjoy your Sunday. Stay blessed. Enjoy your family time, man. Let's get this new week going, doing things we love to do. So thanks for watching my video. As always, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you'd like to be part of the family, I'd love to have you part of the family. Hit that notification bell if you want to get, you know, updates, future video updates, and also comment. You know, I love to talk to people, so comment, like, comment. But if you like my videos, though, please subscribe. So you guys stay blessed, man. Enjoy your day. We'll see you next time. Peace.